All right. Welcome to day 4 of our 30-day mind, home, and body journey, alignment journey. So today we're focusing on one mind, one spirit. Our thoughts, our words, and our actions have the power to reflect God's kingdom, okay? Life or death. And today we're going to explore how to align them in His spirit so that we are bringing about life and we're drawing and attracting life and not darkness and any lies, okay? We want truth. So our scripture for today is Philippians 1:27. Only let your manner of life be worthy of the gospel of Christ, so that whether I come and see you or I'm absent, I may hear of you that you are standing firm in one spirit, one mind, striving side by side for the faith of the gospel. Okay, so basically conduct ourselves in a manner worthy of the gospel of Christ. So Paul reminds us here as believers that we are citizens of heaven. So every attitude, every word, every action, we can reflect God's love and His kingdom when our minds are renewed by His Spirit, meaning that we speak truth. And when we catch ourselves saying things that do not serve us, that we can actually stop ourselves, pause, and just reframe that. So today, before reacting, whether it's to our kids or coworkers or spouse or whatever, I just want you to take a moment to pause and catch yourself and just ask yourself, does my response right now reflect the gospel that I believe, right? Even small moments of just self-control, kindness, patience, they're all opportunities to honor Christ in your everyday life. So let's bring that intentionality into our home. So today's task is to clean your stovetop using the cleaning paste and the EnviroCloth. Again, don't worry if you don't have your samples yet. If you've already requested those, just do what you can with what you have. Okay, so just do the task. That's it. Okay, don't get stuck on not having the right things. We're working on that, right? That's the goal. Progress, not perfection. So clean that stovetop. As you work, remember that even these practical acts are just part of honoring God with your space, with your environment, right? With your home. And so while you're moving with intentionality in your home, let's also move our bodies with purpose. So for your body today, you're going to choose a protein, one veggie, one starch, one fruit, plus a healthy fat from the list below in the description of this video. You're going to drink at least half your body weight in ounces of water, right? You've heard me say you take the your body weight divided in half, and that's how many ounces of water you should be drinking. Eventually, you're going to get up to 100 ounces or more. Again, if it's summertime, you're going to be drinking more. If it's wintertime, you probably won't. Okay, so let's reflect on this. How did you move today with intention rather than obligation? You want this to come out of the overflow and abundance from the hope that you have been given that moves you into just having joy, gratitude, expectancy, excitement, right? This is joy that comes from heaven, not happiness, happer tense, okay? It's not based on circumstance. So I just want you to, change that perspective. Remember, your movement can be worship when it's holy and purposeful. So for your movement, I want you to find whichever one, beginning, advanced, or moderate. Just take a deep breath, thank God for today, and step into your day with one mind, one spirit. I'll see you tomorrow.